So what's up guys, welcome back to my another video. So in this video I'll be choosing the giveaway winner. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you that my audio will be very bad in this video because I'm recording my audio in my webcam. I recently got a new computer, so computers don't have inbuilt microphone in them, so I'm using a webcam microphone. So audio will be a bit bad, not a bit, very bad, but yeah. So basically I have won $20 gift card, and there are two entries, one on my YouTube and one on my Instagram. So what I'm gonna do, I will first go to YouTube and just pick a winner from YouTube, then I'll pick a winner from Instagram, and then I'll choose not I a random software will choose that who is gonna win between those two. So yeah, so first of all, why these are so many ads. So I will go here. As you can see, oh, so noisy. So as you can see, there are like links to every video that I have made recently. So I'll go with my subscriber giveaway and copy the link and then paste it. So filter duplicate users. Why there's so many sound? So filter duplicate users, and uh, that is, okay. Get YouTube comments. 44 comments. I thought this will be a bit more, but whatever. So the moment of truth is here. So I will be picking a winner, which will get a 50% chance to win the giveaway. So let's see who is going to win. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, I'm nervous. I don't know why. So the winner, the 50, not actually the winner, but he gets 50% chance. So our YouTube winner is Lexi Hensler. I don't know that I pronounced that correctly. I don't know. So he commented, "Done. I live in South Africa. Nice. I will buy the RSTM 2020 and a cube bag." So hope you win. So yeah. So now I will be just copying all the Instagram entries that I had. So only 9 entries. So I'll just copy that and paste the names here. So I have just pasted every name that mentioned at least one person. So yeah, I did that, and now I will pick a random name, filter duplicate name. I don't need that. Okay, whatever. And I'll pick a random name who will also get a 50% chance of winning the giveaway. So let's start. Cubing07. Okay, so this guy liked all of my posts. So okay, let's see who's gonna win. So this is the software that I created. So this is the software that I created, and here you can see that just see that this is R and this is F written, and I'll write the name of these two guys here. And if I run and if I start, click this button, so R is now displayed, and R, sometimes F is displayed, sometimes R, sometimes F, sometimes R, sometimes F. So that is completely random, and I will not do anything to that. So what I'm gonna do, I will copy this guy's name, Lexi. So I'll just go here and type Lexi, and hope I have spelled that correctly. Lexi, Lexi. Okay, and now I'll wait that one. Who's cubing07, right? Yeah, cubing07. And I'll go here and type in cubing uh, 0, oops, 07. Okay. Oh, and G is missing. Cubing 07, and now I'll just share this. Yeah. Copy the link, open a new tab, paste the link, and yeah. So now if I start, then this is completely random. So there will be a best of 5. So whoever names comes 3 times, then that person will win this giveaway. So let's start the first round. So the winner of the first round is Lexi. So Lexi is ahead of cubing 07. So it's 1-0, and the second round begins right now. And the second round is won by cubing 07. Okay, it's getting very intense. So now it's a best of 3 now. And now let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Lexi again. Oh my god. Now Lexi needs only one and cubing 07 needs both of them. So let's start. Who's gonna win? 3, 2, 1, go. Lexi. Okay, so now it means that Lexi has won the giveaway. So let's do the fifth one and cubing 07. Oh no. So Lexi, congratulations, you have won the giveaway. And yeah, sorry cubing was 7, but you lost by 3 and 2, only 1 point. So yeah. So Lexi Hensler has won the giveaway from South Africa, and you have 3 days to contact me. So what you can do, you can just email me or DM me on Instagram or anything like that. You can email me. My email is akilsom87@gmail.com. That will be in there in my about section of my channel also. I'll pin the email in the comments, so you can email me and I'll verify you, and then you will get the $20 gift card. So yeah, that's all for this video. And those who have not won, don't worry, I have planned many giveaways in my channel after 200 subs, 300 subs, 400 subs, 500 subs. So stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, and comment if you think that uh, I should do more giveaways, so just do whatever you want. And then yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.